My dear friends, today is the 20th of August, Thursday of the 20th week in Ordinary Time. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Bernard. The first reading is taken from the book of Prophet Ezekiel, chapter 36, verses 23 to 28. I will make known the holiness of my great name, profaned among the nations because of you. And they will know that I am Yahweh when I show them my holiness among you. For I will gather you from all nations and bring you back to your own land. Then I shall pour pure water over you, and you shall be made clean. Cleansed from the defilement of all your idols. I shall give you a new heart and put on a spirit within you. I shall remove your heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. I shall put my spirit within you and move you to follow my decrees and keep my laws. You will live in the land I gave your ancestors. You shall be my people, and I will be your God. This is the word of the Lord. The Holy Gospel for today is taken from the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 22, verses 1 to 14. Jesus continued speaking to them in parables. This story throws light on the kingdom of heaven. A king gave a wedding banquet for his son. He sent his servants to call the invited guests to the banquet, but the guests refused to come. Again, he sent other servants, instructing them to say to the invited guests, I have prepared a banquet, slaughtered my fattened calves and other animals, and now everything is ready. Come to the wedding. But they paid no attention and went away, some to their farms and some to their work. Others seized the servants of the king, insulted them, and killed them. The king was furious. He sent his troops to destroy those murderers and burn their city. Then he said to his servants, the wedding banquet is prepared, but the invited guests were not worthy. Go instead to the main streets and invite everyone you find to the wedding feast. The servants went out into the streets and gathered all they found, good and bad alike, so that the hall was filled with guests. The king came in to see the wedding guests, and he noticed a man not wearing a wedding garment. So he said to him, Friend, how did you get in without a wedding clothes? But the man remained silent. So the king said to his servants, Bind his hands and feet and throw him into the outer darkness, where there is weeping and gnashing of teeth. For many are called, but few are chosen. This is the good news of our Lord Jesus Christ.